It's nice to see you again. Lesson 2.
2일차.
First, write and read consonants. Find out how to write consonants and how to read them. Second, words. Let's learn words related to consonants. The 8th consonant is
응,
Draw a circle from left to right. Write it down in the square again.
응,
The ion that starts with this word is baby.
아기, 아기,
The 9th consonant is
즈,
At first it's like a,
기역,
but it's not at right angles. It's diagonally down the left, and then it's diagonally down the right at the midpoint. You can write
즈,
consonants like that. Write it down in the square again.
즈,
The word that starts with gut is syringe.
주사기, 주사기,
The 10th consonant is
즈,
Draw a short stick on top of the consonants gut. Also, even chi-ut consonants can write like that. Write it down in the square again.
즈,
The word that starts with chi-ut is cabbage, eggplant, spinach, carrot, bell pepper, beans, and so on, are called vegetables.
채소, 채소,
The 11th consonant is
키읔,
Write the gi-yuk first, and draw a straight line middle parallel to the top. Let's write it according to the square.
키읔,
The word that starts with ki-yuk is camera.
카메라, 카메라,
The 12th consonant is
티읕,
Draw a line parallel to the top and bottom, and connecting the two lines, writing niun. Let's write it in a square.
티읕,
The word that starts with tut is tennis.
테니스, 테니스,
The 13th consonant is
비읍,
Draw a straight line on the top, and two short lines on both sides at the midpoint. Draw a straight line at the bottom and connect it. Let's write it according to the square.
비읍,
The word that starts with pi up is grape.
포도, 포도,
The last 14th consonant is
히읗,
Draw a short line, and draw a longer straight line. Lastly, draw an ion. It's the same with hiut. Let's write it according to the square.
히읗,
The word that starts with hiut is hippo.
하마, 하마,
Third, consonants test. Let's review it one more time. Now let's review the consonants and words we've learned so far. If you watch it over and over again, you'll get used to it.
이응,
Read it.
이응,
The consonants put themselves in the support of their names.
이응, 지읒,
Read it.
지읒, 지읒, 지읒,
Read it.
지읒, 지읒, 키읔,
Read it.
키읔, 키읔, 키읔,
Read it.
티읕, 티읕, 비읍,
Read it.
비읍, 비읍, 희은,
Read it.
희은, 희은.
Lastly, the fourth game. Guess the consonants and the words. Take a break and try to guess in advance. Give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. The word that starts with EU is
하마, 하마.
The word that starts with GU is
주사기, 주사기.
The word that starts with TU is
테니스, 테니스.
The word that starts with ION is
아기, 아기.
The word that starts with up is
채소, 채소.
The word that starts with PU is
포도, 포도.
The word that starts with KU is
카메라, 카메라.
You did a great job today. We've done with consonants. Next time, it's time to learn vowels. See you next time.